Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Planet Crafter. Oh my goodness, is that terraformation ever going up? And these butterflies. Wow. Breathtaking. Alright, so we got the butterflies out. And I think that was it for the variants. No, there is a couple more variants, a rare type that you can find out in the environment, but I have not found any. So, wow, I did find some glowy pink ones, but unfortunately, I died with them on me. And that hurts, because I haven't found any since then. Alright, so we might have permanently lost some until we can come across them randomly. We also need to explore some wrecks. There's another large wreck somewhere besides that one. I thought it was at the entrance here earlier in the gameplay. I don't know if it's still there or it's in a different cave exit, or they could have just moved it over there and finished developing this area, because this, I don't know. It used to be a big giant sandstorm area. Anyways, so let's go back and grab some power cells. I'm not too sure if I'm going to go straight to that third one, but if I have no choice, I will go there. And let's do some exploring, see what we can find. Because in the last episode, we cleared out the last wreckage over there. So, well, when I say over there, I didn't really say where. Up here. We also cleared this wreck. We double checked the little guy. Where is it? In the lake region here. And there was no power cells required there. So either this is the last one we have, or it's in one of the caves somewhere around here. There's, I believe there's another one, but I don't know for sure. So yeah, the environment has changed since early game, so who knows. Okay, so we are, well, I mean 1.25 Ti's. We're almost to 1 Ti as of now. So animal shelters are just around the corner. Oxygen is actually going up pretty quickly, so that's kind of surprising. Oh, I do have another fish variant to put out. I think those were duplicate frogs anyways. I need to put those into some sort of chest, and I don't really have a chest, do I? For this, how much flowers we have? Okay, we'll put the frog eggs in here for now as a temporary storage. And I think I have everything for a tree. No, that's not a tree spreader. What did I have materials for? Was that the fish farm? No, it wasn't. Valkia. That might have been one for display. Yeah, I think I had one for display and one for farm, so I gotta create another display. Anyways, drink some water. Let's eat some food. Let's get something for display, I guess. We just need one tree bark for that. Very easy. Fish display, and we'll quickly construct that and see what this one looks like. Probably right here, probably a good spot. Put that one fish there. I mean, that's more for that type of variant. Oh, well, right there, fine. We got it now. That doesn't quite look right. Let's correct that. We can't have things looking strange. There we go. I think that looks better. We'll put that fish egg in. Let's get stuff for a fish farm. And we'll put it out pretty quickly. Just need 3 silk for that. 1, 2, and 3. And probably a couple other stuff for the fish farm, like plastic and whatnot. Yeah, 2 plastic, 1 plank, and B. Was that? Oh, I guess Steve wants to say hello. Oh my goodness. Always press that over the Q. Alright, so it was I need 1 8 and 2 plastics. Okay, here it is. And let's get this fish farm out somewhere. And don't run off so quickly, because we do need a tree spreader too. So we need 1 Z-Lite and 1 super. What else do we need? There was for that bacteria, tree bark, and tier 2 fertilizer. So that's all in the lab storage here. So let's get the bark, 2 fertilizer, 1 and 2, and what else do we need here? Bacteria sample. Great, not that much. There. Okay, where are we gonna put this fish? Geez. Yeah, that's a question. I guess we can put it over here. Now, where can I put that tree spreader? Well, there's a lot of blank spot up here I can put it. So let's teleport up to Silicon and we'll go from there, looking around. Or should I teleport to Z-Light? Let's teleport to Z-Light. I think that's pretty much my next blank spot is in this general area, by the looks of it. Yeah, you know what? A tree spreader in this canyon here would probably be a good spot for it. And with the miners, why not? Yeah, because this was pretty bare here. This is not a bad spot for a tree spreader. Alright, let's do that. And let's stick the rose tree in there. There we go. That's dealt with. Now, where can we go? I guess I could have just teleported to Osmi. I'm just thinking about that. I mean, we're not too far from this wreck. We do need to go to the back to main base anyways, because I forgot the power cells. Or the fusion cells, should I say. FEC. Alright. 1, 2, and 3. I have 4 on me then. Just have that many, just in case, because there might be 3 requirements in the inside of the rack. I don't know why I have that 1 circuit board on me. Get that circuit board off for now. I think that was for the destruction of the, what do we call it? Of the storage chest. Okay, I got food, water, got everything for the fish. Okay, let's see here. We'll keep the rover there. It's kind of a pain to drive it around, really. Plus, it's just so much more convenient just flying around. Did I hit this? Hey, energy fuse? Production fuse? I thought I came across a couple of energy fuses earlier. Apparently not. Okay. Alright. I might have put them upstairs anyways already. Okay. Alright, let's teleport. Retop our water and food really quickly before we do that. Go to, I guess, underbase for now. And we'll go from here. Thinking about it, we could put a fish farm around the gold tree. This wouldn't be a bad idea either. Oh, might as well gather up some generic frog eggs too while we're down here. Because, you know, crafting those can be a pain. Gold frog eggs? Nope, just generic. How am I gonna get this? It must be like a rare find or something to get the gold stuff. I mean, thinking about it, this isn't a bad spot for a fish farm. So let's just put it right here. Why not? And we'll put, there we go. We'll put those fishes in there. Yeah, it's not a bad spot. I like it. Okay, so we gotta figure this out. Where was that wreck? Well, we found a cosmic quartz here, and this was like somewhat spot where it was last time. So it could have been possible the devs moved it. I think that's what happened. Yeah, starting to lean towards that. We might have to do some research into this, because I can't find it now. It could have been this the whole time that I found, because I remember wandering around the dust storm here. I remember discovering this and when I was traveling further in this direction, I came across it. This is where I found all those rare larvas here. They just kept popping up and I couldn't stop taking them. I wonder if that's still going to happen. So let's drop these in here. Why not? Maybe it was the bug the whole time that those larvas popping up here. Maybe I spoke too soon. I'm still finding them. Oh, that's funny. Anyways, we're thirsty, so let's do that. And we'll put that 1 larva in here. It's probably going to keep happening if I keep walking. Oh, this is funny. Okay. Oh, those blue butterflies are starting to, the glowy ones are starting to pop up here and there. Okay, so we'll get that larva in there. We don't need it on us. We do need it for my genetic sequencing. So let's just keep heading in this direction. And I guess that was the last wreck. I actually, so that must be the last wreck on this map, as far as I know. If you know any other wrecks, leave it in the comments. Because, yeah, my time is kind of very limited to explore. Alright, so, let's see here. If I go here, just, you know what, it's always a good habit just to explore around. Yeah, you can see, like, found this random chest here. And there is a bit of a cave system here. So this must have been actually it. Because I remember coming out of the cave and seeing this. Yeah, it definitely was it. Now there's a whole underwater side to this too. Oh my goodness, let's look at this. Yeah, because I remember it was like some sort of like on the edge of the world in a way. Alright, so, yep, this was the one I was thinking about. I saw on the dust storm down here. There's a couple of messages that need to be sorted out on this map, but it's nothing the devs can't fix. Alright, I think that's pretty much ready for this. Alright, so we got this on everything. Good. Alright, now we just need to, oh, it takes 4. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now we'll open up this door. Wow, okay, so we got drones here with circuit boards and, oh my goodness. So what is this gonna do? Kind of curious. I'll take the circuit boards, why not? That's just my little habit. Can't say no to stuff, and this is probably the most intact ship as of yet. I can't open up that chest. That's outrageous. Ooh, genetic traits. Okay, I'll take that. Okay, I can open this one. We got a genetic trait 2 there, and a bunch of other goodies. Can actually deconstruct that. Supposedly, we can destruct this too, but we can't open it. What kind of heresy is this? Oh, we just got it. Okay. Let's just quickly drop things off here. We're already full. And yeah, we're pretty packed full there. Do that there. Let's just drink some water out here. Come on, there we go. Get back in here and we'll clear this out. Get rid of that chest too. Do the same here. Do the same here. Let's switch to blueprint microchips. We don't need those anymore. Lots of circuit boards. Very nice. That's money for us, really. Anything in their claws? Nope. Okay. I guess let's move further in here. Seems like it should be piloted, but where are the people? Okay. We're already full, so let's head back up. Let's deal with this. Drones are still on our way, surprisingly. Just drop all this stuff off. Oh, full. Okay, get this all off. Get back in here. Alright, okay, we got some iridium rods. We were low on those. Get rid of that chest. And let's head down the ladder. Now, I don't know if I need the logs for this, but hey, let's just... Oh, we got some Terra tokens, genetic traits, another production multiplier fuse. Kind of useless for us, actually. More rocket engines and whatnot. Oh, engine multiplier fuse, that one's good. So let's get rid of this. We'll see how far we can get in here. Genetic traits. Okay, we've got a bunch of other stuff here. We need to offload already again. My goodness. Alright, so back out we go. Okay, already full. Let's just drop what we can off, I guess. And, okay, we got genetic traits. Get some iridium rod. Oh my goodness. Might have made a mistake here. There we go. Now, okay, there's another swarm of drones coming, so that's good. Maybe I should get a little picky on what I'm picking up and not picking up. Yeah, we probably should keep that in mind. Alright, so let's head in. It's a bit of a maze. Oh, here's a power room, so we might as well head to this room right now. Figure out how many cells. Oh, only we need one. Okay, that's pretty cheap, actually. Okay, let's head over here, I guess. Tokens, we got some materials. And it feels like there's supposed to be a whole crew here. There's not robots. That's strange. Where are the people? Okay, we got big tables. We already have big tables for a blueprint. We already have a trash can. It's a blueprint. So we don't need those. Food level critical. Let's eat. And let's head to this room, I guess. What do we have here? We got a chest here. Something there. Okay, tokens. Might as well take all that. Get rid of this chest. A lot of debris. Don't know where it comes from. And, oh, a couple more tokens. Some rods. Always in for iridium rods. And, oh, why don't I have this? This is... Oh, come on, devs. This is so unfair. We should have access to this. As a vehicle. Don't tease us like this. Oh, no. I want that. I want that. Can I drive this? I really want that. Oh, come on now. Teasing us what is to come. Is there any way to power this up and take it? Come on now. Oh, it even has like a little guns on it by the looks of it. Darn. Oh, this is so infuriating. I don't like being teased like this. Okay. Well, let's continue on with exploring. This is making me salty. I love it. I hope we get access to that one day. All right, so I think we already went upstairs, did we? No, we didn't. So let's look in here. Oh, we got some seeds, wheat seeds and whatnot. Just take the tokens right now because I think I'm full. Might have to make another chest. Let's see here. What else do I have? Bridges. This is just a kitchen area. All right. So this is probably a good time to go and offload again. We'll probably make another chest outside because yeah, we're pretty full and the drones don't really have anywhere to put our stuff. Let's drop all this stuff off here. Okay, let's make another couple lockers if we can. 1 and 2. There we go. Drop those off. Let's make sure those are on everything but supply, and we are thirsty, so let's drink some water. There we go. And I'm thinking these drones are not going to work no matter what we do. Yeah, just judging usually how the game goes on the storyline. Alright, so we got this opened up, so let's might as well clear that out. And I guess we just keep on exploring. I need to go up to the upstairs section through here, so let's do that right now. Get these seeds because cocoa and wheat are valuable. I think I only picked up wheat. Where's the cocoa? There is no cocoa. Okay, that's fine. Take those. Gonna need the fire seeds for genes anyways. I think fridges give me methane. So I'll take those. Those are just containers, different blocks. And those ones give me water, so I don't need those. Okay, let's head this direction. Alright, clear this out. Here we go. We got down there, and we got a vault here. Alright, let's clear this vault out. And now I'm full. So let's head back and offload. And try not to get lost. Alright, we're offloaded, so let's head back in and fill up again. Okay, so this is supposed to be some... What? Open ballroom? Okay, I'll take it. Let's just offload this. Take all this. Do the same there. That's it. Really, that's it. There is no message or anything here. What is going on here? We're supposed to open this, and then technically they're supposed to finish the terraformation for us. There's gotta be a message somewhere. Did I miss something? There's gotta be something I missed. This doesn't make sense. Get up here. Kind of a vault access area. Kitchen. Going down here. What's this hangar bay? There's gotta be something more than just this. Come on now. Don't leave me hanging. There's gotta be something with a message. Maybe inside to the rover here? The flying rover? No. Nothing. How about... No. Nothing to interact with either. Really, that's it. Okay. I refuse to believe this. Deconstruct big table. That's over here. There's gotta be some secret access somewhere. Let's check for any secret walls. Doesn't make sense. It just goes to a vault room and that's a dead end. But at the same time, gotta say I can't be that surprised because they kind of do this to us all the time. Well, let's go up here. Maybe these doors opened up here. No, they didn't. Well, I guess that was the last wreck here to explored. That was not very satisfying. Okay. Oh, we got a lot of materials out of that, so I guess I can't really complain about that. So let's just offload everything here, and I guess I'll just keep exploring around here because there was a cave system over here, was there? That I saw and decided not to do because I was kind of worried about food and that. Do I have another food on me? Yes, I do. So I got more enough time to explore. I think it was right here, right? Yes and no, I guess. I remember I already explored this. So what is this right here? Offline, that's all it says. Nothing in it. This one just says offline and the exact same thing. So yeah, we explored this. Oh, cosmic quartz. I'll take that. And of course, we got these larvas up here. And super alloys, but we got lots of those. So where was the cave? It was in that island there. That's right. So let's head there. And there's a bunch of chests right here. Clear those out. And of course, this larva just spawns right there for us. Take all this stuff, do the same map. Ooh, another cosmic quartz right here we'll take. And another larva. Use those for our genetics. Let's head over here. There's got to be something about this cave. Well, or this massive rock here. Got to be something, you know? It won't let me fly up it, so that's intriguing. Now let's head inside here and see what this is all about. Anything in the water? Basic materials. We got cosmic quartz here. We got a vine we can climb. Alright. We'll clear this chest out at least. Take that cosmic quartz. Got some beautiful flowers. Let's climb the vine. Okay, we're up top here now. Let's see, what is over here? Well, I mean, there's just one robot right here holding some space food. That's a good little meme there. Just eating space food, enjoying the view. Oh, that's hilarious. I'll take his food though. What's the message? Alright, terraforming task. Looking for the best possible place to install a starter platform. Robotics announced terraforming. Last state is processing internal data. If my calculation is correct, this will be one day become the most pleasant place on this world. I am going to wait here and maybe DRO40 will join me one day. I'm going offline mode. Oh my goodness. That's actually kind of a little cool. It has a blueprint ship, and which is useless. Okay. Well, I guess the robot wanted to fully enjoy the sunset, and at the same time, you don't get robots to finish your terraforming. Okay. So, eat that space food. That's kind of mean in a way. And how is it still good after all this time? And yeah, I gotta say, up here otherwise was pretty underwhelming. It's just the space larvae that always pop up here. Nothing really special, but looks of it, just besides that one little Easter egg there. No special materials. Like, I guess you could build like an awesome base here, but these trees will get in the way. There's nothing, yeah. I don't know what to say to this. Kind of a bit of annoyed actually, because the main map, it's just like every little thing had something, especially with like ward and stuff. Okay, so that's that. I know if I have all the logs, I can escape this planet with all the logs, but I don't think that's going to give me an achievement. There might be a hidden achievement for this, so who knows. But anyways, we got the other planets to terraform, and we got to get up to that point. Oh, let's see here. I guess the sabotager really did his job really well. All these robots are definitely non-functional. I'm just gonna wander around here and see if there's any other unique larvas that pop up here, because this is it feels like there's supposed to be something special about this. I'm just not seeing it. Okay, well, let's drink some water. Let's head out of here. I don't see anything else here. That would be a crazy place to build a base up there. Those rock formations are pretty cool looking. And then the plant life is just so mysterious. Like, but there's still nothing like for resource very valuable there. Huh. Okay. Super alloys, yeah. Maybe some stuff hidden in the water, but like I'm not seeing it. There is a robot here I don't think I found yet. It's torn apart. And it has a tree seed. Okay. And a log. Might as well take it. I don't know if I have enough logs, but I think I do. And yeah, the underwater here. Not really seeing anything special. I did explore that wreckage over there. That's one of the first things I did. Oh, yeah, we got random fishes here and there with our fish farm. Let's just see the different variants of fishes wandering around in the wild. And we'll just check our light collectors actually. Yeah, they're not plugged up. Yeah, and this was pretty much, I cleared this out a long time ago. Kind of wish I had those blocks, these pillars. That would make my base look so much better. We do have these ramps. I think I do. Well, definitely the rails. No, I don't have those foundation blocks. I wish I had those too. I don't know why they don't give us that stuff yet. Or we could have them. We just don't. I just haven't came across a blueprint for them yet. Who knows? Maybe we find out on a different planet. Alright, just double checking things here. I'm pretty positive I cleared all this stuff out. So it's just might as well just dump everything here. There we go. Same here. There. And did I have a teleporter here? No, I don't. Okay, so this is probably a good time just to head back to the vine and head back to base. Because, I don't see anything to explore here. I think I fully explored this place, unless there's like a cave system here that's for even a lower level. I kind of doubt that. No frog eggs there, and oh, we got frog eggs here. Pick those up, and let's climb the mine. Alright, we might as well just teleport back from here. We're also probably discontinuing the mushroom farm here and switch those to beans. But no, we got lots of beans for harvest. Same with cocoa. I think it's wheat that I'm lacking. Yeah, it is wheat. Need more wheat farms. Okay, back to main base. And we'll eat and drink. And we do need to set up a chest for generic frog eggs. So, yeah, let's do this one for froggies. We might as well just put all the frog eggs in here. And that one, and that one. There we go. So that's all the frog eggs. Let's just call this frogs. And, yep, that's on that demand. Terra tokens gained. Awesome. Now, there's an empty spot. We'll call this one fuses. And we'll put the demand for all the fuses here. Oh, there's another access card. A green access card? That is interesting. I've never seen that one before. Okay. Oh, we got creature DNA. Okay. So there's the fuse demand set up. How are we doing for drums? Let's double check this. Okay, not in the container. We have 62 drums. Okay, we gotta add 7 of those. What it takes? Circuit board, super explosive rocket. Okay. Okay. Alright, well, we might as well just do scanning for distant wrecks here. We want something with low difficulty and high rarity. So we got difficulty 2, rarity 5 right off the bats. Okay. Which one is more affordable? I mean, I don't have that many green crystals. So this one's probably more ideal, but the pulsar quartz, I think I'm lacking that one. Pulsar is, let's just check our pulsar. We got a couple in there. Okay. One green. What else do we have here? We could take a purple. Two blue, two purple. Okay. Two blue and two purple. There we go. And we need definitely more pinks. So we just gotta hurry up and wait for that. Okay, so we got all the materials for 7 more tier 2 drones. We'll get those out. There we go. We also have the perfect amount of crystals to open up this portal. So let's do that right now. We'll open up this one. Rarity 5. Difficulty 2. Okay, what's going on there? Oh, just took a minute. There we go. We got the portal open. And no, I doubt we could drive that through there. Right. So let's just check a couple of our inventory stuff. Okay, so this is still processing. We might as well put a demand for the pulsar quartz into this, because we can't really mine that stuff anyways. So, well, the cosmic quartz, not pulsar quartz. What am I saying? So the drones will pull those off. Quickly drink and just double check our ramp blocks. Yeah, the ramp blocks are not like that. On the base there. Kind of annoying. Well, let's check our terraformation index here. And let's see where we're at exactly. Okay, so we're at 82% for animals. Yeah, we're at 1.1 TI. So we're getting closer. Like biomass is all completed, so there's nothing more to unlock there. And it's going to be a while before we can get an interplanetary travel rocket. So yeah, the next little thing we're working on is definitely animals. It's Serenia butterflies. What do we unlock again? Well, I know we're going to need to get a bunch of those butterflies, the Bessie butterflies, just for the species 6 to unlock that. And they're incredibly expensive. Futura butterfly larva. I'm not too sure if I can buy that one, but let's just double check. I don't think I can buy them. Let's darn it and launch, getting this Darn. Shoot, it launched. Okay. We gotta wait for that rocket to return. Okay. Well, the only thing we can do is explore another portal wreck while we wait for terraformation to go up. Might as well take an access card out of this. I am curious on this. What? Can we recycle these? I mean, it gives circuit boards. Okay, good to know. Good to know. We get circuit boards for access cards are recyclable. So finding too much of them actually can be useful. Interesting. Now, I never really gotten crazy into the modding side of this, but I know I have my speed increased, but we can upgrade our lights in theory now. And maybe our inventory to tier 3 if I didn't do that already. I'm pretty sure I did though. That's probably like one of the first things I did. Nope, I didn't get it up to tier 3. Nor did I upgrade my speed even more, but there was no point on this map to do that. So I'm not going to really focus on the rover upgrades. So let's let's head in the portal. And we're back on this biome. Okay, it's slightly different. It's kind of a bit of a maze though. It's hard to see chests and with all this pink and a little bit of darkness color. Okay, the layout's pretty much the same. So this little wreck is right here. So we might as well just go through it. And we're just going after crystals. I don't really care about osmium rods or bacteria samples. Got lots of those, producing lots of them. Alright, that was I was going somewhere new. Alright. This way, if I actually find some flares, I can use them right away. They practically just give you stuff to do this. Might as well take all the fuses and iridium rods. I'm going to need those. And this is going to be a bit of a maze here, so let's do this. Oh, we need explosives. More tokens. Oh, we got another trade multiplier fuse. Okay. Rocket engines, circuit boards. Might as well take those because I can sell them. We got the rover in the bay. Oh, we got... Oh, here. It's like I said, they practically give you everything for this. So we can blow our way through that rock now. And bombs away. And come on, any minute now? Any minute now? I forgot to trigger it. I'm an idiot. Oh, now any minute. Boom, there we go. That is cleared. It looks like I'm going to need another one. Okay. Keep exploring. Okay, we got some tokens. Like I said, they just gave me another explosive. Alright. You're telling me to go this way. So let's go this way. And let's trigger that. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Alright. Further in the wreck we go. More tokens, crystals. I'll take the iridium rod because iridium is a problem. And I brought an access card with me. So let's insert that. And, oh, yeah, a bunch of tokens. I'll take that. Take the crystals. Just look at the blueprints too. And a genetic trait. Do I need nitrogen? I might as well take it just in case. And same here. Take the nitrogen. I might as well take the seeds. Circuit board. Yeah, okay. That's fine. Just double check everything here. Let's clear it out. Nothing special there. I guess we're just going deeper. Figure out what am I going to need for power cells. And I'm full. Great. Alright. Here's the... Okay, I only need one. So I'll go back and grab one. That'll be good. Alright, let's do that. Back to base, back to base. I could use water too. Yeah, this wreck is just unproportionately larger than the actual ship is. Alright, let's offload quickly. Have to draw and sort all this. I don't know what I'm going to use the smart fabric for still. Probably for other buildings. It's no use for explosives. Okay. Hydration level critical. Let's eat and drink. And while we're here, let's grab the FEC. Use your energy cell. We only need one for this one. So let's do that one quickly. And let's go back to the wreck. And in we go. Get some of these out of the way. Alright, so this is the vault. Let's just dump all this stuff in there that I don't need. I'll take the Dusker seed though. Take the seeds, iridium rods, and rockets. Same here. Might as well just clear it out. Just get rid of the chest. And we got an access card that'll give us circuit boards. And we'll just dump all this stuff I don't need in there. Don't think I need explosives. Alright, let's insert this fusion cell. And that should open up a bunch of vaults. There we go. Explosive powders, circuit board. I probably don't really need the explosive powders anymore. And I guess we just keep on going deeper. Okay, looks like we're in the lab room. There's the ivories that we can do to construct for wall decoration. Okay, something here. Tokens. Okay, we got a new trait, rocket engine, and one of those. Alright, let's get all this stuff I don't need on me, off of me. Don't need this many flares. And let's see here, going through everything. Don't need the mutagen. There we go. Get those out of the way. And, oh, another vault. Genetic trait, circuit board, another access card. Interesting. I really don't need any more food seeds, so I'm just going to leave the eggplant alone. And I guess we head to this office area. And they tease me with these. Sharky? Interesting. Oh, so that's what they call that one. Eggplant pot. Oh, you can actually pick them. Oh, it's hilarious. You can pick them up. There's just no... Oh, they gotta add a little notification that you can pick that up. Oh, it means there's another poster that I saw that I could have picked up and I didn't. Well, that's a lesson learned. It'd be kind of cool if we could put walls like this. I know we can make those. I think we can. Well, time will tell. Alright, well, we've done this section. Guess we kind of head back a little bit. Okay, and I know for a fact that one of these led somewhere. There we go. Vault. Take those. Well, we got another spacesuit that we already have. So, yeah, we'll just create some more inventory space here. And, guess we'll head in this direction again. Just a double check. I think I practically grabbed everything. I don't know if I went up here, though. Probably did not. We got some shelves. And, okay, yeah, I was right. We didn't go up here yet. I don't really need a nitrogen, so I'll just grab the crystals. Because I need those over nitrogen. Wow, and access cards technically. And there's still, I can still go deeper. Okay, down the stairs we go, and we'll just peek. Oh my goodness, there's like a whole another section here. What's another access card? This is a 2 access card place. Let's take all these terra tokens, because that will be helpful. And we'll just look around here. We got a tree seed there. All right. Well, we might as well head back and. You know what? Drink our water now and take a crystal back. And yeah, we'll come back and grab the rest of that. I'm still a little bit upset with that. Like that little tease the devs did with the little flyer. I want it. Be kind of interesting to see what the devs do. We're going to stick to maps or we're going to go with actual planet-wide. Because if they actually do a planet-wide open world, it'll make sense to have a flyer. Right now the maps are just too small to have a flyer. Especially Humble. Humble's tiny. Well, let's drop all this stuff off. Doesn't seem like I need nitrogen anymore. And the drones solve what they want to put all this stuff. We get those traits in. Like that. And let's head in. Okay, so let's put this poster right here. Try to get kind of centered. There we go. So we got Starform Robotics, the Hyderius, and we got Sharky. I don't know why they call it Sharky. Well, I guess it kind of does look like a shark, but it has feet. That's kind of scary. It means it's is it carnivorous? Okay, so, oh, we got golden frog eggs. How did I get for gold frogs and Sirius frog eggs? So I can get golden frogs just by genetic sequencing? Oh, which one was I going for? I can't remember. I think that was the Embelio frog eggs I was trying to craft. Or was it FA? I think it was FA because 350%, that kind of looks familiar. Okay, that's good to know. I got gold frog eggs. I'm actually kind of surprised and shocked. Really? Okay, so let's do some more frogs. Jeez, that's unexpected. Tier 3 mutagen, or was it tier 4? Well, let's do tier 3 mutagen for this one. And I think it just took regular fertilizer. No, it took tier 2 fertilizer. Oh, okay. That is definitely filled up. Alright, well, let's put this in there. And let's get this one under research. And let's do the same for the other side. There we go. Under sequencing, and we should get some more frog eggs. Wow. I'm actually quite shocked that I got frog eggs out of that. Let's get these broken down into circuit boards like that. And Did our rocket ever return? Here it is. I want to look at some stuff here. Okay, so we only can buy Nefaria butterfly larvas. I don't know what species that gives us, so I'm not going to get that. I'm going to get about 6 of these. The Canos rock eggs, I'm not going to buy those, but I am going to do the 3x3 living compartment right now. Get that unlocked. And rounded living compartment, that could be kind of cool to construct now too, but I don't think I can afford that. Can I? No. Fountain. Yeah, I definitely can't afford a fountain. I think that will be good for now. And let's launch it. And we'll get these circuit boards in here, I guess. And they're supposed to be on highest priority. Okay. Well, let's eat and drink and let's head back in and let's continue on with the portal. Might as well grab some more water there. Technically, we need 2 water. And back in we go. Does this show me a map? Nope. This says a approximate equation. Okay. Got a little bit of an eye. And the wreck we go. Okay, which way do I go? And we want to go towards the hangar upstairs. Oh, forgot a flower seed, so pick that up. Okay. Iridium rod, pick up that flower seeds, not renewable. Nitrogen, we have no need for nitrogen, apparently. And always have a need for rockets. And let's check this vault out. We want that trait. Don't care about super rods because we're making those now. And definitely the tree seed and the rockets here and the seed. I think that's it for here. All right. I think this rocket's actually cleared out. Okay. Good to know. So now we can just explore the outside and see if there's another wreck. Okay. So this wreck is officially cleared out. I know the previous map that like this had an underground cave system, so I wouldn't be surprised if I find that in here, but the biome, same type of biome, but it's different layout. So there might not be even a second wreck. And to find chests laying around here is a nightmare. And like I said, there's probably a second rack, and I see the antenna, and I see an antenna to the underground. So it's practically kind of the same. Oh wow, just no water this time. Interesting. It's very, very dark. Even with the light on, it's crazy dark, and it had a red glow. Ooh, scary. Okay, we got another trait multiplier fuse. I'll take that. Guess let's go over here because there was a chest underwater with the other map. Okay, we got tokens, couple crystals, and I'll take the iridium rod. Always short on iridium on my side. And another chest right there. A couple explosives. I'll take those explosives just in case, because we're probably going to need them for this rack. Alright, so let's see here. Same. Alright, the interior layout's probably going to be a lot different though. Yeah, it already is showing difference. Straight into the lab room. Our way in. Deeper. Technically, we could take a shortcut just by flying up here. So let's look. Oh, there's a new effigy. Okay, cool. A couple balls, new plant. Nothing else really special. This is kind of cheating. Just by bypassing that. Not really, actually. Alright, let's get rid of this. And we got a chest right here. Okay, we got another tree seed. Awesome. I'm gonna put the explosive here because I have no need for them. And they'll be there if I need them. Okay, let's take all this. Bunch of tokens. Awesome. Blueprint for solar quartz. Already got that. I need the blueprint for the other quartz. Maybe I gotta get higher difficulty for that one. But that should be go by rarity. Alright. We got an access card. Alright, let's get these chests reduced down to a few so I don't get confused. I don't need uranium, surprisingly. We've got a lot of uranite for that. Just get everything over here. Yep. Alright. More terra tokens, crystals, iridium rod, and rocket. So that one's pretty much all of it. And, oh, crystals and a rocket. That's what I need. And now I'm full. Great. So it's servers, effigy, more servers. Okay. No more posters, eh? Nope. Since I know how to collect posters. Alright, well, let's head back and I guess we're soft load. We didn't even get that deep in here. And we might as well grab another fusion energy cell. But in the meantime, I might as well pop a water and a flare here. And with me using that, I might as well pick up that effigy. We could chuck that for that one microchip. Okay. Alright, let's go back to the portal. Find our way out here. And what kind of direction we go? East, so that'll be west from the portal. Okay. Directly in line with his outer wreck. Awesome. Alright, let's quickly offload. Let's get those access cards recycled. All but one, because we could use that for a cell. And, okay, it looks like a rocket just came in for this, so let's quickly just grab everything there. And let's enable the auto launch. It's already launching away. Wow. Okay. And let's quickly... Well, we'll put those larvas into here, because I think they'll take them over to the chest right away for us. And let's unlock this blueprint right now. There we go. So we got a 3x3 living compartment, the next most expensive thing. I need to put these RPGs on a display. It looks like my display is full. Should I put a display in the center of these? What it takes to make a display? Cobalt, iron, and super. Okay. Iron, cobalt, and one super. There we go. And where's our display? Display case. If I put it right there, I mean, it doesn't look bad. I'll take that. I guess we'll do display in between every fish. Yeah, that's not a bad idea, actually. Yeah, we'll kind of sort them out a little bit. Two different types of displays. Yeah, that's a good idea. Oh, we got a super element, which I don't need. So let's get another display case. Let's just make two more just for the moment. There we go. And we'll try and place it in this rocky, shaky situation. Display case. One there. This one got put too far back, so let's redo this one. There we go. We got it. Alright, let's roll those in there. That one, I don't know if I'm going to put in that one. I guess I could put Starform effigy. You know what? We can have them mixed up. Yeah, kind of like this. Good. And so this one will be for Starform, I guess. And this, I guess we'll put a gold one in this very last one. Yeah, that's probably not a bad idea. I like that. Alright, let's eat, drink, so we're fully recharged. And let's head back in. And we want to go west. And I see a chest right there. Let's get that right now. Couple of tokens. Well, things are Terra tokens. Let's take the seed, rocket, and the iridium rods. Because iridium is not that plentiful. Oh, another chest right there. Good to know. Okay, more tokens. I don't need that blueprint. And we'll just take the one crystal. Alright, let's head back down here. And let's continue with our exploration or clearing out this wreck. I forgot the fusion cell too, did I? Okay. Likelihood of coming back to clear out is very high, so not too worried about that. Alright. Yeah, we cleared this out. Guess let's head down here. Planet viewer. I'll take that. That's new. Just clear that way. So got a way out. Clear more. And we got a chest here. Just take the iridium rod. Get all the debris cleared out of here. Crystals, plant, more tokens. Another species trait, and a plant and some more iridium rods. Oh, another trade rocket fuse. That's nice. Some more Terra tokens, 200 more, and we'll take the crystals. And it's pretty generous on rocket engines. Okay, we'll take that and that. Take the quartz. We'll always take the quartz. So really, this is the only source of a lot of these quartz is these wrecks. So, yeah. I'm actually surprised I haven't found a fusion power bank yet. Energy room. Let's drop those off. Don't need that. Really, there's no... I didn't miss it, did I? Okay, I haven't went this way before, so let's go this way. Okay, so we found some more of this stuff. I'll take it. Access room. Okay, let's put our access card in. So we found the vault room. Awesome. Nothing really special in there. Just a couple quartz. So we got species 1 and a plant. Okay, 200 tokens plus 5,000 tokens and a couple fuses. I'll take those. Oh, I'm full. Okay, we're definitely gonna come back with a genetic trades, which just quickly just use up. Collect these tokens, and yeah, we gotta come back here. Is there a flare here? Yes, there is. Drop the water off there, and we'll pop a flare right here, just so I know I gotta go this way. All right, now it's time to offload. All right, back at base, so let's quickly get rid of everything here. Jeez, crystals. We got iridium rods. Probably gonna use those right away, which is good. Mods off here. The traits. Gotta unlock that. We call it blueprint right away. And let's just load up on these rockets here, because we can actually just sell this ourselves. Same with the uranium, and all these other rods I have in here. No use for them. And yeah, we gotta wait for a rocket to come back first too. So we'll go unlock this blueprint. There we go, decoded. Now we got a planet viewer. So that's pretty cool. And trade rocket. We're thirsty, so let's drink some water. I might as well get a couple of trade rocket fuses and put them in that optimizer. Put the fuses over here, did I? 1 and 2. Yeah. Let's stick that in. Make the rockets faster. And we just unlocked the animal shelter. And we just insert the fuses here, so... And animal feeder. Awesome. Okay, so 330 seconds, he'll be back. Alright. Well, folks, unfortunately, this is all the time I have for today. If you like this content, do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And hey, if you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments. I read them all. And all your support's much appreciated. Okay, have a good night. And I'll see you at the next one. Bye for now.